Dollar yen daily forecast December 29th, fxempire.com. Dollar yen originally fell during the Wednesday session only to pop back up and form a hammer for the day. The pair is being supported by the Bank of Japan via interventions, as you can see from this daily candle here, but the trend is certainly down from the 80 level, which is massive resistance on the long-term charts. The overall shape of the markets currently show a triangle is being formed, and as a result, we think that a move could be coming. A break higher of the triangle will send it up asking questions of the 80 mark. A break higher does not get us buying simply because we know that the 80 mark is going to be so resistive. We're simply going to wait and see what happens at 80. If we can get a daily close above 80, we would be very interested in a long-term buy and hold strategy in this pair. If 80 proves to be too much, too resistive, then of course we would be more than happy to sell, as that's with the trend anyways. If we get a breakdown below the bottom line of the triangle and quite frankly the bottom of Wednesday's action, this would be very bearish, and we think that we could sell at that point maybe for 50 or 100 pips. We're not going to look to press our luck. The Bank of Japan does get interested in this pair once we hit anywhere from 76 to 75, so we don't want to really press our luck. Take 100 pips and get out. The demand for the dollar is good around the market, so it won't be overly surprising to see this pair finally get a boost going forward. But as stated before, the real battle is at 80, and that's where we plan on making longer term decisions. Recently, the Prime Minister of Japan, Mr. Noda, said that the yen levels are fairly accurate in their description of the Japanese economy, hinting that intervention isn't necessarily going to happen at these levels. Not a big surprise, they haven't recently anyways. The next few days will probably struggle to see any massive moves, but the start of January will more than likely provide a nice staging area for the next 6 months in this currency pair. We are watching the 80 level, and we are watching the bottom of this triangle to see what our next move is.